Gekko saves Christmas.
Oh, Connor, it's Christmas tomorrow and it still hasn't snowed.
Snow would be amazing, but we'll still have a good time.
Whoa! I can't do this.
What's wrong, Greg? It's the day before Christmas. Aren't you excited?
Not about ice skating. I've never done it before, and I'm not any good at it.
We'll help you. Come on, just try. It's all part of Christmas, like the tree.
Yeah, with all its lights and decorations.
What lights and decorations?
Oh no! Where'd they all go?
Where are all the ornaments?
And the tinsel.
Even the star has disappeared. They were so beautiful, and there were so many.
They can't just be gone. Someone must have taken them last night.
But how did that someone get up there? It's so high.
We're going to find out, and we won't need ice skates to do it. PJ Masks, we're on our way!
Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes...
Catboy!
Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Yeah!
Greg becomes...
Gekko! The PJ Masks!
Whoever took those decorations went really high, and we need to get up high too.
Come on, to the Owl Glider! Owl Eyes! Look! It's Luna Girl! Gasping Gekko! She's taking everyone's presents!
It's Christmas Day tomorrow. No one will have anything to open.
Luna Girl, give those presents back! They don't belong to you!
Forget it, goody-goodies. They're mine. Christmas is all for me. Me, me! Hey, if we could get her Luna board, she wouldn't be able to reach the chimneys.
Good idea, Gekko. Let's go.
I'll get her down to the ground. Owl Wings!
Owlette, look out!
Quick, Gekko! Fly the Luna board away from Luna Girl!
But I've never ridden a Luna board before. I won't be able to do it.
So long, kitty. I'm out of here.
Whoa! Gekko, are you okay?
Yes, I knew I wouldn't be able to fly the Luna board. Sorry.
It's okay. Let's just go after her.
The Owl Glider's too big to chase her down there.
Owlette, you fly after her, and we'll follow you from the ground.
Let's go, let's go! Come on, Luna Girl. What? Why don't you just give those presents back?
Because I don't want to. Come and get them if you think you can. Hey, that's mine, bird brain.
No, 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 no! PJ Masks! I need some extra weight to bring her down! Super Cat, jump!
Huh? The pussycat pain again. Well,
This is even harder than ice skating!
No way! I can't do this!
Gekko! Are you okay?
I'm no good at new things.
Okay, don't worry. Owlette and I'll take care of it. Let's catch up with Luna Girl.
That's it, Luna Girl. Time to stop.
Time to stop you mean.
Fluttering feathers!
Oh, did I ruffle your feathers, Owlette? Sorry.
Super Cat jump! Gekko, help! Oh,
Get off my Luna board!
Owlette, what do we do? I'm too dizzy to do anything right now. Never mind fly straight enough to help. You need to jump on the Luna board again to help Catboy.
Again? But I'm no good at riding it!
You don't know if you're any good at it because you keep jumping off. You need to really try. You can do it.
Help! Catboy! You're right, Owlette. I've got to at least try to save him. It's time to be a hero! Super Gekko camouflage!
Where'd that loopy lizard disappear to? What? Where'd you? Ah! Huh? Whoa! Ah! Hey! Thanks! That's mine!
Whoa! Hang in there, Gekko! You can do this!
Gekko, I'm losing my grip. Pull me up.
Whoa! But if I bend over, I lose my balance! Hang on, I'll get you safe, I promise. I just have to stay on and try to fly this thing.
Gekko, look out!
Whoa! This is kind of cool. Whoa! But hard! I've got to keep going.
Watch out for the wall!
Yeah! Wriggling reptiles! We're too high!
Don't panic, Gekko, or we'll crash!
Right. Careful. Whoa!
Yes!
I'll just bring it down slowly.
Way to go! I knew you'd get the hang of it. See? You just had to give it a try.
Yeah!
Mods! Let me go, you PJ pests!
It's over, Luna Girl.
Yeah, we've got your Luna board, so you can't steal any more presents.
Oh, it's not fair! I never get a real Christmas!
I'm just here by myself.
What? You mean you're all alone at Christmas?
But that's really sad.
Hey, why don't you spend the rest of Christmas Eve with us?
With you?
Yeah, we've got to put all these presents and decorations back anyway. You can help.
Then we'll all have Christmas together. What do you say?
Okay, I guess.
Then hop on, we're going to save Christmas! Yay! And now for the last one.
Excellent. And you're getting so good at riding the Luna board, Gekko.
Thanks. Now that I have the hang of it, I love it. You really helped us out, Luna Girl, so you can have your board and magnet back.
Okay, but I guess you have to go now. So Christmas is over for me.
Don't worry, we're not leaving yet. There's one more stop to make first.
Whoa! Isn't it beautiful, Luna Girl?
I guess.
But now Christmas really is over. And I didn't get any presents.
Oh, yes, you did.
Ice skates! But I've never skated before.
That's okay. Neither have I. But we'll get the hang of it. Come on, let's just try. Whoa. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause tonight we